Hello students, welcome back to Grammar Enhancer. In today's video we are going to learn about active and passive voice. So first thing that we have to know what the voice is. Voice in English grammar is the form of a transitive verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कार्य किया जा रहा है या फिर सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कार्य रिसीव किया जा रहा है. There are two types of voice, active and passive. First one is active voice, indicates that the subject of a verb acting or performing an action. Active voice में हमें ये पता चलता है कि कोई भी सब्जेक्ट जो है वो कोई कार्य कर रहा है. Like example, the nurse is giving the medicine. The nurse subject is performing the action of giving the medicine. Krishna will read the report to the class. Krishna subject will carry out the action of reading. In passive voice, in a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop or get interchanged. The subject becomes the passive voice recipient of the action. Example like, the medicine is being given by the nurse. The medicine subject is being given verb. A book report will be given by Krishna to the class. A book report subject will be given verb. How to rewrite active voice sentences in passive voice? The passive voice requires a double verb and will always consist of a verb of the verb to be and the past participle, usually end with ed, en or t form of the another verb. To be plus past participle. Active, the children ate the cookies. Passive, the cookies were eaten by the children. To cut the long story short, हमें पैसिव वॉइस में हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज़ करना है. Changes in pronoun. I changes to me, she changes to her, he changes to him, we changes to us, they changes to them, you never changes. Let's see how tense changes. Simple present changes to present continuous. Simple past changes to past continuous. Simple future changes to future continuous. Present continuous, there is no change in present continuous, just we need to use being after the helping verb. As it is in past tense, present perfect tense changes to present perfect continuous. Past perfect changes to past perfect continuous. Future perfect changes to future perfect continuous. Let's look at active voice again. Active voice shows that the doer is the subject or the focus on the sentence. Example, Kathleen dances the breathtaking Zumba. इसमें क्या होता है? Subject plus action verb plus receiver. Next, passive voice shows that the receiver is the subject or the focus on the statement. The breathtaking Zumba is danced by Kathleen. Receiver plus helping verb plus past participle plus by plus doer. Let's look at the examples. Simple present tense. Brian writes an article. An article is written by Brian. Simple past. Brian wrote an article. An article was written by Brian. Simple future tense. Brian will write an article. An article will be written by Brian. Present perfect. Brian has written an article. An article has been written by Brian. Present continuous. Brian is writing an article. An article is being written by Brian. Past. Brian was writing an article. An article was being written by Brian. Past perfect. Brian had written an article. An article had been written by Brian. Future perfect. Brian will have written an article. An article will have been written by Brian. We will cover the remaining sentences like interrogative, imperative and modal verbs in the next part of this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. See you in next video.